Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. My name is Isaac Ochako. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. For those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you. I don't take that for granted. So many of you have been asking me what's my channel about, because I've not posted any content on this channel. And I would like to tell you that very soon, probably end of this week, or that's probably on Saturday, that's maybe tomorrow, right? Or maybe next week, I'm going to post my first official video about this channel. This channel is all about nature. The nature, as we all know, the nature is a great idea of life. There's nothing good like nature. Nature is good. Nature is awesome. Okay? If you look all around you, it's all about nature. Look at the trees, look at the sky, look at the ants, look at the animals. Look at all the funny things that nature brings to you. Have you ever realized that there's so many things that nature brings to you, but you cannot have that idea of what am I going to look at? Or why are they like this? Or why are they only in this section of this area? Or why are they doing this? So in my channel, I'm going to review nature. That's the main thing. I'm going to review nature. So reviewing nature is talking about each. It's about animals, it's about insects, it's about birds, it's about rivers, lakes, streams, in different types of nature, that is. So I'm going to specifically talk about each, like by moving around anytime, moving around areas in Kenya that have these types of nature that I'll be able to talk about. So nature is part of our life, as we all know, and I cannot say we can do without nature. So it's all about nature. Nature is nature. Nature is a way of life. Nature is nature. So kindly, guys, I will also continue requesting you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Whenever I have the content ready, you'll be able to be the first person to view it, either on Sunday, this coming Sunday, or next week. Okay? You never know what I'm bringing on board, so kindly be ready. Subscribe. Ring that bell for notification. See you guys. I love you all. So yeah, so far so good. So I'm not saying it's bad. So at least let's have more subscribers. You cannot bring content where there are no people, and again, people will not come where there's no content. So I'm doing the same on this side. I'm gonna bring the content, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Everything has a start, and if it doesn't work well, then it's not meant for us or for me. Yeah. Well, have I forgotten to say anything else? Let me see. This thing is hard, but anyway, we're going to try to do a lot of things about nature. Yeah. Just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's meet when I have the content. Just subscribe. Bye bye.